Hello everyone, today's recipe is almond fill croissant. For this recipe, most of the dough preparation is done the day before baking. What you need for this recipe is 300 grams of flour, 1 tablespoon of yeast, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Add 74 grams of warm water and 95 grams of room temperature milk and 2 tablespoons of room temperature butter. Mix well all together. Cover and leave to rise for around 2 hours. It will be double in size. Meanwhile, prepare the filling by adding 1 cup of almond flour and half a cup of sugar with 1/4 cup of room temperature butter and 1 egg, and mix with a mixer. Put the filling in a jar, cover and place in the fridge till you need them. Put 165 grams of butter in a Ziploc open to allow air to escape, and press the butter into the bottom corners and place it in the fridge. Roll the dough into a rectangular surface, place the butter and roll it again and place it in the freezer for 25 to 30 minutes, then transfer it to the refrigerator for an additional 30 minutes. Repeat this process for 3 times. Leaving the shaped dough in the refrigerator overnight will allow the flavors to develop, and you can wake up the next morning and bake fresh croissants. Remove the dough from the refrigerator. Again, roll it into an 8 by 20 inch rectangle. Cut the dough into 7 or 8 even triangles according to your preference. Fill each triangle with 1 teaspoon of the almond filling and roll each triangle all the way up to the tip. Place the croissant on a lined baking sheet, spacing them out evenly. Prepare the egg wash by adding 1 egg, a pinch of salt, and 1 tablespoon of milk. Whisk well and brush the croissant with the egg wash and sprinkle with almond flakes, and bake with a preheated 425 Fahrenheit oven for 18 minutes or till browned. Then sprinkle with icing sugar and enjoy these delicious croissants while still warm. For this video, I have used my hand-painted plates, so check the end of the video to see how I painted these plates, and see you next time with a new recipe and a new video.